In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arc for doors in AutoCAD. Whether you're designing a new blueprint or making modifications to an existing layout, understanding how to add arcs to represent door swings is an essential skill. So, let's dive right in. Imagine you're looking at a standard door in your project, but it appears a bit incomplete because it's missing that crucial arc that shows how far the door will swing open. To solve this, we'll use the arc tool in AutoCAD, a handy feature that gives us great precision and flexibility in how we draw curves. Firstly, navigate to the arc tool in your toolbar. You'll see a drop-down menu that offers several options for drawing arcs. Among these different methods, one stands out for its simplicity and efficacy: the start-end angle method. It's a fantastic technique, especially for those who prefer efficient and straightforward processes. Once you've selected the start-end angle option, begin by clicking on the starting point of the arc. This point is typically where the hinge of the door is located. Next, click on the end point. This is generally at the edge of where the door would be when fully opened. Now comes the part where we determine the arc's extent. You have choices here. You can either manually enter the angle using your keyboard, or use your mouse to visually set the angle on the screen. For instance, if your door opens to a 90-degree angle, you simply type 90 on your keyboard and press enter. This instantly creates an arc reflecting a door that swings open to a complete right angle. This method is incredibly versatile. It's not just suitable for doors that open fully, you can easily adapt it for doors that partially open, such as those intended to open only halfway. For a door meant to swing open to 45 degrees, you would follow the same steps. Select the start-end angle method, click on your start point, followed by the end point, and then type 45 before pressing enter. This will produce an arc that precisely represents the intended door movement at 45 degrees. One of the best aspects of this technique is its efficiency and consistency. You don't need to perform any complex calculations or estimations. It's all about selecting points and inputting the correct angle. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy in your designs, which is crucial for both personal projects and professional presentations. And that's it. By using the start-end angle method in AutoCAD, you can seamlessly incorporate arcs into your door designs, ensuring that they accurately reflect their intended movement. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance the quality and clarity of your architectural and design projects. Happy drawing!